everyone. Welcome back to the English Mindset Podcast. I'm your host, Jane, and I'm so happy you're here today. Whether you're listening while you're walking, cooking, driving, or simply relaxing at home, thank you for spending your time with me. Today's topic is something many English learners experience. Stop waiting. Start learning. Let's begin. Have you ever said, I'm start learning English next Monday, or maybe I'll study after I finish my work, or even I'll begin when I have more free time? If your answer is yes, you're not alone. Many people wait for the perfect moment. But here's the truth. The perfect moment almost never comes. Think about planting a flower. Do you wait until the weather is perfect every single day? No. You plant the seed. Then you take care of it little by little. Learning English is exactly the same. You don't need perfect conditions. You just need to start. Here's something I want you to remember. Small actions are more powerful than big plans. Imagine you decide to learn 50 new words today. That sounds exciting. But tomorrow you feel tired. The next day, you stop completely. Now imagine something different. You learn only 3 new words every day. 3 words don't feel difficult. You can do it even on a busy day. After 1 month, around 90 new words. That's amazing. Small steps become big progress. Now let me ask you a question. What do you usually do while waiting? Maybe you wait for the bus. Maybe you wait in a restaurant. Maybe you wait for your coffee. Most people immediately pick up their phones and start scrolling. But what if you used those few minutes differently? You could listen to a short English podcast. You could review 5 vocabulary words. You could read 1 short article. Those little moments are like tiny coins. 1 coin doesn't seem valuable, but if you save coins every day, they become something much bigger. Your English improves the same way. Now let's talk about something that stops many learners. Fear. Fear of making mistakes. Some people think, my grammar isn't perfect. My pronunciation isn't good, so I won't speak. But think about a baby learning to walk. Does the baby walk perfectly on the first day? Of course not. The baby falls, then stands up, then falls again. Little by little, walking becomes natural. Speaking English works exactly the same way. Every mistake teaches you something. Every sentence makes you stronger. So don't wait until you're perfect. Speak first, improve later. Here's another idea. Make English part of your daily life. Don't keep English inside your textbook. Bring it into your everyday routine. Change your phone language to English. Listen to English music. Watch short videos with English subtitles. Read simple stories before bed. The more English becomes part of your life, the more natural it feels. Now let's learn a few useful words from today's episode. The first word is routine. A routine is something you do regularly. For example, my morning routine includes listening to English. The second word is progress. Progress means becoming better little by little. For example, I can see my English progress every month. The third word is confidence. Confidence means believing in yourself. For example, I have more confidence when I speak English. The fourth word is consistent. Consistent means doing something regularly. For example, she is consistent with her English practice. And our last word is improve. Improve means to become better. For example, I want to improve my listening skills. Now here's today's challenge. Choose one small English activity, only one. Maybe learn 3 new words. Maybe listen to 10 minutes of English. Maybe speak to yourself for 5 minutes. Whatever you choose, do it today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Remember this. You don't become fluent because of one perfect day. You become fluent because of many ordinary days. Every small effort matters. Every minute counts. Every sentence helps. Before I say goodbye, I want you to think about one question. What is one small thing you can do today to improve your English? Think about your answer, then make it happen. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English Mindset Podcast, and share it with another English learner. I'm Jane. Take care of yourself. Keep learning. Keep believing. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.